Okay, so here's the flight controller. It's a Pilot, and I think this an APM 2.8. So some places talk, junk about them, and then you got the Pix Hawk and people. Ooh, a Pix Hawk. I don't know, but I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Because a lot of people got them working, doing good, and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to see what's what with that. Now, the battery I got is too big to fit into the frame here, and so I'm going to strap it underneath the carriage there. And so I don't know if I want to maybe, put this under here or up here. I'm not sure. I believe what I'm going to probably do is, once it's all said and done, 3D print a shell to go over the top to shield. I mean, in case I'm out there, running this thing and it starts to rain and there's nothing I can do about it. So I'm going to take and run these back through this hole and up through here. And then that'll give me the flexibility to pretty much run it however I need to. Now these need to come up through the middle there. Well, you know what? That one was trying to be aggravating. Doing a pretty good job of it, too. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is grab 4 of these tie wraps. Now, I don't want to put a whole lot of strain on this. I don't, so like saying, I don't want to cinch it up super hard. So I'm just going to put one on the body, enough to hold it in place. Okay. Oh, you know what? That's not going to do. Can't do it. I goofed up. And you know what? Only OCD people know exactly what I'm talking about. So leave a comment if you're OCD. All right, so that's got, we're just going to tuck these in here for now. And I believe this is, like I said, the battery, I'm really just going to strap underneath here. So this will probably just be hanging out here kind of like this. Let's run it up through here. Or I don't know. I really want that secured a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But, so, let's go ahead and run these wires down. Okay, so I believe I'm going to take 4 more wraps. I may go ahead and just be done with this wiring for this phase of it anyway. So let's do this for a good balance. Well, no, that wouldn't be a good balance. This would be a good balance. And so this maybe will help, you know, kind of keep these wires where they're at. Okay. And so the point of these tie wraps here is I want to try to ensure that I don't end up with these wires kicking back up, maybe, I don't know, somehow potentially getting into the propellers. Okay, so I shouldn't have to worry about that now. So we're going to clip these off, not at their final length. I'm going to clip them off much shorter than this. I just want to leave a little pigtail on there so that I can still pull them tight, adjust them. However, I may or may not want to do. Okay, I'm still got to figure this wire out, but I don't know yet. So these really aren't marked. In any form or fashion that I know of, that I can tell. So what I'm going to do is hook them up the same on each one. So as we've got red, black, and yellow, we will have red, black, and yellow. And so I'll probably end up, I don't know, doing something maybe like this and running another tie wrap on it. But I got to be sure about this. I got to do a little research to find out if, if that's okay. Because I mean, one's going to be ground and then the rest is going to be whatever. So I'm just kind of matching everything up. Red. Middle one as black. And then yellow. And then again, red. Middle one's black. And the outside is yellow. And for the last one, we got red. The middle one is black. And the outside is yellow. So before I cinch this wiring down, let me check something out. I'll be right back. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.